This is a two-part assignment. For the first part, I will ask you to translate the English words to your language. For the second part, I will ask you to rewrite the sentences using the correct form of the verb to be. First, let's look at the terminology or vocabulary. Because, snowball, mother, behavior, spider, lightning, all the time, daughter, birthday, breakfast, thunder, please, father, this morning, race, sun, size, guest, last, dark. Please translate from English to your language. Now, let's take a look at the rules. Exceptional uses with the verb to be. The following are common expressions that use the verb to be cold, to be hot, to be right, to be hungry, to be thirsty, to be wrong, to be 25 years old, to be scared or afraid, to be ashamed. Now, when we say the following are common expressions that use the verb to be, we would not say to be. We would use the to be verb that is appropriate for the subject. So, to be cold would be something like, he is cold. The be verb is in that case. She is cold. You are cold. We are cold. I am cold. They are cold. Now, for part 2, rewrite the following sentences using the correct form of the verb to be. Use the information in parentheses, here and here, here and here, at the end of each sentence to help you determine the correct tense and to know whether the sentence is affirmative or negative. Affirmative means positive or yes. Negative means no or is not. So, let's take a look. Number 1. My daughter blank afraid of the dark. How would we rewrite this sentence using the correct form of the verb to be, making sure it's present tense and affirmative? We would say, my daughter is afraid of the dark. Is present tense, and is means yes or affirmative. She is afraid of the dark. My daughter is afraid of the dark. 2. Blank Jason, right? How would we rewrite this sentence using the correct form of the verb to be? Well, present tense and affirmative. Is Jason right? Is present tense, and it is affirmative. She blank hungry for breakfast this morning. We must use past tense and negative. Well, she, what would past tense be? Was, but we want to make this negative. So, she was not. Past tense was, negative, not. She was not hungry for breakfast this morning. You could also use the contraction wasn't. Was not or wasn't. Both are okay. 4. Please open the windows. I blank very hot. Well, how do we create this sentence? Making sure that it's present tense and affirmative or yes. We would write, please open the windows. I am very hot. 5. I blank ashamed of the size of my shoes. How would we use the to be verb in the present tense and negative? Well, the to be verb with I would be I am. That's the present tense, am. I am, but we have to make it negative. I am not ashamed of the size of my shoes. Now I will read the rest of the sentences. 6. Kathy blank, 33 years old, on her last birthday. 7. We blank very thirsty after the race. Make sure you're looking at the parentheses. You blank wrong again. I blank right all the time. Blank you scared of thunder? He blank afraid of the lightning. I blank cold this morning. Blank the guests hungry? My mother and father blank ashamed of my behavior. Blank your son scared of spiders? I blank 18 years old. Bill is happy because he blank right. I blank cold because of the snowballs in my pocket. Once again, this is a two-part assignment. The first part involves translating the English word to your language, and the second part involves rewriting the sentences using the correct form of the verb to be. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing your work.